Hi, this is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing on YouTube, then this video was made for you. Today I'm going to talk about my biggest experiment, affiliate marketing on YouTube. Doing videos in the first place was a struggle for me. I worried whether or not people would like my content. A year ago, I could barely look into the empty, dark camera, let alone speak in front of it, knowing that it was recording my every word, voice inflection, and facial expression. So here are some tips I learned while struggling with my biggest experiment, affiliate marketing on YouTube. Number 1, focus on helping others. Number 2, forget about what people think and focus on helping others. 3, remember that someone, somewhere needs to hear about what you have to say. So focus on helping others. Do you hear it? I'm sure you do. My biggest experiment, affiliate marketing on YouTube, is to focus on helping others. Sometimes I do it by sharing a personal story. Other times I share a poem that captures an idea better than words can say. Other times I have to research by watching others, by finding topics to discuss. By placing my focus on helping others, I forget about the camera, its emptiness, and I forget about what people think who do not understand what I'm doing. So I focus on being genuine with a sincere desire to help others, educate, and occasionally entertain. So this affiliate marketing on YouTube is a work in progress, especially for me. The more one does it, the more comfortable it becomes, and better one gets at it through regular practice. So instead of thinking about it, just go ahead and just do it. Joining a video challenge helps too. Have some notes handy to help you stay focused on content, and don't be too hard on yourself. You, like me, are a work in progress. This is Rhonda Schaefer wishing you the best of success with your biggest experiment, affiliate marketing on YouTube. And remember to comment and subscribe below if you wish. Meanwhile, have a good day.